What to expect. Let's start with a look outside. We'll take you to Carmel here. Weather camera shows some of those high thin clouds that have been moving in. Most of them have been high thin clouds. Hasn't had much of an impact on our forecast overall. We're watching them move in. Here's how it looks from the top down view as the clouds continue to filter in. Notice there's a bit of moisture back to the west, and that's that chance of showers I mentioned for tonight. Not a huge chance. You'll likely see a couple of showers pass through, mainly overnight. They will likely not impact your daytime, what's left of it today, nor your daytime for tomorrow. Look at the temperatures, though. 65 for St. Louis. Some of that warmer air is trying to surge to the north. I think we're just out ahead of it enough that we're getting temperatures into the upper 50s, but now we're going to start to see the temperatures cool back down. So we probably won't see too many locations into the 60s for today. I think we're going to see our temperatures begin to drop. Here's future track. Now that system to the west may pick up a little bit more moisture as it gets closer. This is just after midnight, couple of scattered showers. I think this may be overdoing it just a bit. The air is still pretty dry, but that should get out of here by tomorrow morning. Now I couldn't rule out an isolated sprinkle or a leftover shower for the very, very early birds on Saturday. I will not be amongst you. I will be waiting until it is a little bit later and we start to clear things out. We should get a good bit of sunshine for your Saturday. Temperatures will probably be just a little bit cooler than where they are today, but the second half of Saturday is a really nice day. Sunday's a different story, and this is where I kind of have to put the positive spin on a pretty rainy day. Significant rain expected starting in the morning. I was actually hoping we'd get some of this to clear out of here by the second half of the day, but it may be 4 or 5 o'clock before some of you see the rain shut down. You might get a peak of sunshine if you're in Lafayette by the end of the day. It may be able to clear out very quickly, but I'm expecting rain most of the daytime for your Sunday. Again, I'm not going to say that you'll not see any sunshine for the afternoon, the very, very late afternoon, but expect rain is a pretty safe bet. If you're a gardener, this is good news because especially northern Indiana could really significantly use the rain. Temperature-wise, into the 50s, 53, maybe a little optimistic on my part on Saturday, but given that we were a little warmer than forecast today, I think we can probably carry that over into tomorrow as well. As far as the rainfall totals, maybe a ½ an inch to an inch of rain from Sunday's rain. Again, a good, beneficial soaking rain, and if you don't get rain then, we've got another chance on Tuesday, another chance on Thursday. Angela and I did decide that Friday we're starting to see some new data coming in that suggests we need to be a little bit warmer, so we bumped it up into the 60s, almost 70 degrees. Let's talk traffic. Couple of things that are happening now that I want to alert you to. One is what's happening on the south side, 465 eastbound, approaching 65. It's actually between 65 and 69, but also this just showed up on the board. This is 65 southbound right at 865. Let me get you to some traffic cameras, show you what we're looking at here. The first one, we will take you to the south side, 465. The right 2 lanes are blocked for an accident there. Traffic is flowing, but it is causing a backup. Here's a different look at it a little farther to the west at Harding Street where the backup continues, and it continues past Harding Street as well. That backup on the northwest side, I don't have an additional camera for you, but I'll bring that to you in the next traffic segment.